What's golf, Bryce?
My favorite sport is golf. It's because you can get stronger because sometimes your golf clubs are super heavy.
Right.
And you can practice with one-handed too.
Good. Hey, we're gonna on Friday next week. We're gonna come to school and do a golf lesson, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do a practice swing, and then we'll end the tape. Good swing. Hey, why don't you introduce your brother to everybody, Bryce?
Bennett, come here! I need you!
Okay, stop swinging so you don't hit your brother. Bryce, why don't you introduce your brother to everybody at your school?
Well, hi, everybody. It's Bryce. Well, this is my brother, Bennett. He's pretty good at golf, too.
Hey.
Hey, Bennett.
Hey, little boy.
Do you want to try?
Hey, little boy, what's your name?
Bennett. Hey, I like my golf club.
Looks pretty good to me. All right, Bryce, let your brother try to swing once, and then we'll end the tape. Bryce, come stand over here.
Shut it off for a second.
Okay.
We're going to go.
Bennett, good swing. All right. Bennett. Wave bye-bye. Hey, Bryce, come over here and wave bye. Bryce.
Bye.
Bye, Bennett.
My big hand.
Hey, Bryce. I'm going to turn it off.
Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
See you guys at school tomorrow.
Okay, like my big hand.
Okay.